In next 3 seconds, I'll get a phone call from AI. There you go. Let me just pick that up. Hello.
Hello. Hi, may I speak? This is the reminder call from. Is now the time to
Yes, this is a good time to talk.
thank you. I'm calling to remind you that you have an appointment today at with that. Will you be able to attend this appointment?
Yes, definitely. Confirm that in. I'll be able to come in.
Great. We look forward to seeing you today. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. So this is an AI reminder agent that I created and installed for one of the business. If you want to see how I exactly did that, I'll leave the link in the description below. You can go and see it. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI receptionist using free tools. You don't have to spend any money. This way you can build a demo, an AI voice agent for any business and show it to them and pitch them without spending any money. And then if you get a deal, you can then build a backend and install it to them. So without a delay, let's just get started. So the tool that we are going to use to build a demo of voice receptionist is Vappy. I use Vappy for any demo because it provides me a free phone number and I can provide that phone number to any business to show them the demo. So just go to Vappy and sign in. I already have my logged in. Let me just log in. So this is what the dashboard will look like. So we are going to build an assistant. So I already have 2 assistants with me, but I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to create a demo for any one business. So I just click on create assistant and I just name the assistant. Let me just name it Jane. And I'm going to use a blank template to create the assistant. Click on create assistant. Okay, now we're all set. Now another thing that we need to do is find a business that we can build a demo for. Let's go to Google Maps and look for any business. So let me search dentist. Okay, I've got some dentistry over here. I'm just gonna pick one for a demo. Let's just go with this one. And I just gotta see if they have a website or not. Okay, this is the website they have. So this is the website of the dentistry business that I'm gonna build an AI voice agent and receptionist for. So I'm just gonna copy this link, go to ChatGPT and paste the link and write a prompt. I am creating a receptionist for this business. I need it to pick up the call, check the calendar, and book appointment accordingly. Write me a prompt that I can use on Vappy to make this. So I'm just going to type that prompt and I'm going to wait for the ChatGPT to write me a prompt. Okay, it's writing me the prompt. It's writing the primary responsibilities, greet the caller, answer basic questions, and basically just pull out the information from the website and build me a ready to paste prompt to this. Okay, let me just copy that prompt and go to Vappy. So this is exactly where I paste in the prompt. Let me paste that prompt over here. So now this is an AI receptionist that picks up the phone whenever a user calls. So the first message should be, hello, thank you for calling Flossie Dental Group. How can I help you today? So the agent is gonna pick up the phone and say, hello, thank you for calling Flossie Dental Group. How can I help you today? Let me just go through the prompt once so that we don't make any mistakes. Flossie Dental, let me just type in your name is Jane. Is Jane. With the caller, let me just go through the prompt briefly so that there is no mistake. Thank you for calling. Let me just open this. talk about the services, collect details. So it should collect my name, my number, email, preferred date, and everything. It should check the calendar tool for availability. So the calendar tool will be added in the workflow when we're actually building the backend, but this is just for the demo that you can present to any business. So we don't need to attach any calendar tool. Now, do we need to connect it with CRM to get the full name and everything? Okay, confirm the booking. Okay, it's also prompted to say I'm sorry you're experiencing that and everything. So basically like a human. So we already have a prompt set up. So now what we need to do is we have to make it more human. You'll see something over here. So the cost per minute is 0.1 cents per minute right now, and the latency is 1050 ms. Latency means the pause between an user input and responding time between the AI agent. So we need to keep this as low as we can, and we're gonna change some settings over here to get that done. For now, the cost is 0.1 per minute, and it already gives $10. So whenever you sign up, you'll get like some free credits, and you can use those credits in order to build a demo. Let me go over here, Jane, and okay. Let's see. I think it's better not to touch the cost right now because we're just building a demo. But for latency, let's see what's giving us more latency. So this is pretty good. So the most latency is given by the model GPT-4o, right? So it's giving us 600 ms. So we could change that. You open this and you'll see. So we could choose another model that gives us less latency. So this is too high, 700, it's too high. We already have 600. Maybe we could go for 390. This is the lowest I can see, and this is pretty good. Let's just select that. Once we publish, the latency is going to change. And we could change the voice as well. So let's go over here and see. So the best way to choose a voice is to use 11 Labs, because 11 Labs provide a very good voicing. So you could check and see which voice you could use. It's our lady receptionist, so it's better to use a female voice. Let me see. I think this would be good. You could listen to this voice from 11 Labs itself and choose what voice you want to select. For now, I'm going to stick with this. And let's see what other configuration we can do. We could change the voice settings, how clarity it should be, the speed, style acceleration, and everything. A lot of different settings can be changed. We don't need this. Let's look at the transcriber. Deepgram is pretty good, but I suggest using OpenAI and use the mini transcribe. And background denoising enable, will enable that as well. So tools, whenever we need to build and backend, we'll be adding tools, but this is just for demo. So let's just stick with the demo for now. Let's not add any tools. So yeah, I think that should be good. This is a pretty good. Let me just publish it and let's check the latency, how much it will be. Let's just publish that. No structure output configured. That's fine. We don't need that right now. We'll just publish it. Yes. Okay, the latency increase. We need to actually decrease it. So where did it increase? So transcriber, I use OpenAI. That's why the latency increased. Maybe I could go back to DeepGram. Okay. You could play around with the settings in order to see which one gives you a better latency. Around 500 to 700 should be good. But anything bigger than that might be a problem. Okay, we see it's 990. Let's see what gave that. So 11 Labs voice is also giving us pretty good latency, but that's fine. 990 is something that we can work with on a demo. So as we build the backend, we could always improve it using different tools, different voices from 11 Labs or voices from the VAPI itself. Okay, now we could test the assistant by talking to it and see if that's good. Let's just talk to the assistant and test it.
Hello, thank you for calling Flossie Dental Group. How can I help you today?
Hi, I just wanted to book an appointment for my tooth checkup.
Of course, I'd be happy to help you schedule a tooth checkup. Are you a new patient or an existing patient?
I'm a new patient.
Great! I'll just need a few details from you to get started. Can you please provide your full name?
So yeah, I think that should be pretty good for any demo. Now the cost has increased as well. It's 0.11 cents per minute, but that's fine. So we already have like $10 in credit. So I think we should be good. Now we already have the assistant ready. Now what we need to do is we need a phone number. So you could go to phone numbers over here. I already have a phone number. If you don't have a phone number, you can always create a new phone number and you could type in the area code and you can create a phone number. It gives you one free phone number that you can add up in your account. But if you need more, you'll definitely have to upgrade the VAPI subscription. But for a free tool, getting one number for a demo should be more than enough. So the name of the phone number is Testazen. So what we are gonna do is so this is the phone number. So we will attach it to Jane because this is the one that we created. So Jane should pick up whenever this number is called. We don't need any outbound settings for now. It's just the inbound settings because this number will be receiving the call. So we'll just save it. So our AI receptionist is ready. We didn't spend a single dollar in order to build this. And now the demo for Flossie Dental Group is all ready. Now you could contact the business and send them this demo. Now our AI receptionist is all set. We built an AI receptionist for a Flossie Dental Group, and we could give this number to them as a demo that how it would sound like for their business. Let me give a call to this number and see and test if that really works. Now 562 3370726.
Thank you for calling Flossie Dental Group. How can I help you today?
Hi, I just wanted to book an appointment for my tooth checkup.
What type of appointment would you like to schedule? Are you a new patient or an existing patient?
I'm a new patient. I just wanted my tooth checked up, just a general regular checkup.
Great. I'll help you schedule a general checkup. Can I have your full name, please?
Yeah, my full name is Southeast.
Thank you, Southeast. Could you please provide me with your phone number?
That's 123-456-789.
Thank you for that. Just to confirm, is your phone number 123456789?
Yes, that's it.
Perfect. Do you have an email address you'd like to provide, or is it okay to proceed without it?
You can proceed without it.
Got it. Now, could you please let me know your preferred date and time for the appointment? Are you looking for a morning or afternoon slot?
Morning should be good, around like 10 a.m. on February 8th, I guess.
Let me check our calendar for availability on February 8th at 10 a.m. One moment, please. I have availability for your appointment. You're all set for a general checkup on February 8th at 10 a.m. Would you like a confirmation text or email?
You can text it to me, yeah.
Great. You will receive a confirmation text shortly. To confirm, you're all set for a general checkup on February 8th at 10 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that would be all. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Southeast. Thank you for calling Flossie Dental Group. We look forward to seeing you.
Yes.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.
Have a wonderful day.
Okay, how good was that? Like, I built this entire thing using free tools, build a demo. Now I could contact that business, send them this demo that I built an AI receptionist for you that picks up your call 24/7, books appointment, checks your calendar and everything. So once this demo is done or the business is intrigued and they want to start with the project, then we can start building the backend flow that connects all the tools, calendars, their CRM and everything. And for that, we need a different entire tool. I usually prefer N8N, but we could use different tools like make.com and Zapier in order to do that as well. So for a demo, this should be more than good enough. Now you can build a demo for any business of an AI voice receptionist and send them a demo. Once the deal is done, you could then start building the backend. Now I'll be creating another video on how to create a backend flow of an AI receptionist that handles all these, included with the tools, checking up the tools, and actually booking the appointment on calendar. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you'll know how to do the entire thing by yourself. I'll be coming back with another video next week, so stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button and like and share if you like this video.